New Claude Code update is insane. Anthropic just dropped something wild. And I'm not hyping it up. This is real. You can now control your AI coding agent from your phone while it builds stuff on your computer without you even being there. That's not even the craziest part. Today, I'm showing you exactly how this works. Remote control from your pocket, a deep thinking mode that makes the AI way smarter, and power tips most people don't know yet. This is brand new. It's a game changer. And it's super easy to use. Let's get into it. So first, what even is Claude Code? Claude Code is a tool made by Anthropic, the same company behind Claude AI. But instead of chatting with it in a browser like most people do, Claude Code lives inside your terminal, your command line, the place where real developers do their actual work. And it doesn't just talk to you, it does stuff. It reads your files, writes code, runs commands, fixes bugs, refactors whole projects, builds full apps from scratch. Think of it like having an AI developer sitting inside your computer, ready to work whenever you tell it to. It launched in 2025 and blew up fast. Developers went crazy for it because it wasn't just another chatbot. It was an actual coding agent, one that could take action, not just give suggestions. Okay, so what just changed? Two massive new features. Number one, remote control. You can now run Claude Code from your phone. Number two, effort max mode, a deep reasoning mode that makes Claude think way harder on tough problems. Let me break both of these down, because once you see what they actually do, you're going to want to try this right away. Let's start with remote control. This is the big one. Here's how it works. You start a Claude Code session on your computer, your laptop, desktop, whatever. Then you run one simple command. A QR code pops up, you scan it with your phone, and boom, you're now controlling your AI coding agent from anywhere. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Claude Code to automate your workflows and scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use cutting-edge AI tools like Claude Code to streamline your work, get more done, and grow your business with AI automation. Link is in the description. Your phone becomes the remote control for your AI developer. You can start builds, monitor what it's doing, approve file changes, send new instructions, watch logs in real time, keep the conversation going, all from your pocket. And here's the part that matters most. Your code never leaves your machine. Only the messages go through Anthropic's servers. The AI keeps running locally on your computer. Your code stays safe. Your projects stay private. Think of it like a walkie-talkie to your coding agent. You send it instructions. The heavy lifting still happens on your machine. Now, why is this such a big deal? Before this update, if you were using any AI coding tool, you had to sit at your computer the whole time. If the AI was doing a big refactor or running a long build, you just sat there, waiting, staring at your screen, doing nothing. Now you can start a big refactor, walk away, grab lunch, check your phone, see how it's going, send a new instruction if you need to, and come back to your desk when everything's done. This is huge for anyone doing real development work. Long builds, big code changes, production debugging. You don't have to be chained to your desk anymore. Your AI developer keeps working while you live your life. Now let me give you some real examples of how people are using remote control right now. Developers are kicking off huge code refactors and then going for a walk. They're monitoring CI builds from their phone, managing long-running tasks without sitting at their desk, debugging production issues from their couch. Some people are starting coding sessions at work and continuing them on the train home. Someone on Reddit summed it up perfectly. Start a Claude Code session locally. Continue it from your phone. That was the dream. Now it's real. Now let's talk about the second big feature, effort max mode. This one is more technical, but it's super powerful. Claude Code now has effort levels. You can tell it how hard to think about a problem. You type /effort and then pick a level, low, medium, or max. When you set it to max, you're telling Claude, spend more time on this. Think deeper. Don't rush it. And it actually listens. It uses more tokens, does deeper analysis, thinks through problems step by step, catches things it would normally miss. This is perfect for the hard stuff. Race conditions, those bugs where things work fine most of the time but randomly break. Architecture decisions where you need to think about the big picture. Complex debugging where the problem could be anywhere. Large refactors where one wrong move breaks everything. Algorithm problems that need careful logic. Let me give you a clear example. Without effort max, you say, "Fix this bug." Claude takes a quick look and gives you something. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But with effort max, you say, /effort max, investigate why the async queue sometimes duplicates jobs. Now, Claude goes deep. It looks at concurrency, thread safety, race conditions, the entire execution flow. It thinks through every possibility, and it gives you a real answer, not a guess. That's the difference between a quick fix and actually understanding the problem. For serious developers, that matters a lot. Now here's where it gets really good. I want to give you some power tips that most people don't know about yet. These will make Claude Code way more effective for you. Okay, power tip number 1, use a claude.md file. This is a special config file you put inside your project. It tells Claude everything about your code base before it starts working. Your project structure, your coding rules, what tools you use, how your architecture works. Think of it like an onboarding doc for your AI developer. The better your claude.md file, the better Claude performs. It's like giving a new hire a really good training manual on day 1. Here's an example of how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. I'd write a claude.md that says, "This is the AI Profit Boardroom platform. We run on Next.js. We use Tailwind for styling. All components go in the /components folder. Keep code clean and modular. Our main goal is fast load times and high conversion." Now, Claude knows exactly what it's working with from the start. It doesn't waste time figuring things out. It just builds. Power tip number 2, keep your repo clean and structured. Claude works way better when your code is organized. Clear folder names, good documentation, readable code. If your code base is a mess, Claude is going to struggle, just like a human developer would. Clean code in, clean code out. Power tip number 3, use agent workflows. This is where it gets wild. You can tell Claude to do an entire pipeline, build the backend, write the tests, run the tests, fix the failing tests, deploy, all in one go. It works through the list step by step, like a real developer would, except it doesn't get tired. It doesn't get distracted. It just keeps going. Now, if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Learn how to automate your workflows with tools like Claude Code and scale your business with AI automation. The link is in the comments and description. And if you want free access to all the video notes, prompts, and a community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Link is in the comments and description. You'll get everything from this video, plus way more in there.